Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to allow message requests from anyone on Instagram, including both the people you follow and those you don't. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the section labeled How Others Can Interact with You and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Next, tap on Message Controls. This is where we'll adjust the settings to allow message requests from anyone. For the first option, your followers on Instagram, tap on it and select Message Requests. Now, for the second option, others on Instagram, tap on it and choose Message Requests as well. This setting allows everyone else, including people you don't follow, to send you message requests. Once you've done this, message requests from other accounts on Instagram will now be delivered to your message request folder, unless you choose not to receive them. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.